So today I'm going to be replacing the headlights on my 1990 Miata. You can see they're the original headlights and they don't throw off a lot of light. So here's the old headlight, halogen, and here's the new headlight that's about to go in. Trucklight, heated LED, and just give you a close-up of the connection on the back. That's the electrical connection. So it should just be plug and play. See all the videos, there's 2 screws on either side. 1, 2, and again 1, 2. That holds this housing on. Comes off easy. And then there's 3 small screws, and then 1 on the bottom that hold on the ring. Should take less than 5 minutes to get the old light off. One thing I'll do before making the electrical connection is just take some of this dielectric grease, put a little bit on a Q-tip, and then apply it to each of the prongs. So see if it's easy to tell the difference on video. That's the LED light. And this is the halogen. So looking directly at it, it's a huge difference. Alright, so this is the LEDs on the Miata. Took a lot quicker than I thought. A very easy project. So far, in the daylight, it looks like a big difference, but we'll see how it is at night. Overall, I would say you get that project done in a half hour, tops.